Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadif Rabli Putra. I want to make a video about the dangers of smoking on campus. Smoking on campus is controversial issue. On one hand, have the freedom to smoke in designated areas. On the other hand, smoking can negatively impact the health of non-smokers and create an unpleasant environment. University should prioritize the well-being of all students by promoting a smoke-free environment. This can encourage healthier lifestyle and reduce exposure to secondhand smoke. Implementing clear policy and providing support for those wishing to quit smoking can create a more positive campus atmosphere. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadif Rabli Putra. My son will explain with the present tense. Present tense. Number 1, subject. Subject adalah bagian dari kalimat yang menunjukkan siapa atau apa yang melakukan tindakan. Contoh, the cat sleep, kucing tidur. Cat sama dengan subjek. Number 2, verb, kata kerja. Kata kerja adalah bagian dari kalimat yang menunjukkan tindakan, keadaan, atau peristiwa. Contoh, he runs fast, dia berlari cepat. Runs sama dengan verb. 3, object. Objek adalah bagian dari kalimat yang menerima tindakan dari subjek. Objek dapat berupa kata benda atau frasa kata benda. Contoh, she read a book, dia membaca sebuah buku. Book sama dengan subjek. 4, complement, pelengkap. Pelengkap memberikan informasi tambahan tentang subjek atau objek dalam kalimat. Contoh, he is a teacher, dia adalah seorang guru. A teacher sama dengan complain. Number 5, adverbial, keterangan. Keterangan memberikan informasi tambahan tentang waktu, tepat, cara, atau alasan tindakan. Contoh, she sing beautiful, dia bernyanyi dengan indah. Beautiful sama dengan adverbial, hal yang sudah pasti dalam tense. Number 1, perfect, V3 have. Number 2, futura will be. Number 3, past, V2 had was. Number 4, continuous, to be, is, am, are, ing. Number 5, perfect continuous, have been, ink. Number 6. Past futura will atau shall. Simple present tense. Simple present tense adalah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menyatakan fakta umum, kebiasaan, atau kejadian yang terjadi secara rutin. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus verb plus is jika subjek orang ketiga tunggal. Contoh, she plays tennis every Sunday. Negatif. Rumus subject plus do atau does not plus verb. Contoh, he does not like coffee. Interrogatif. Rumus do atau does plus subject plus verb. Contoh, do you work here? Simple past tense. Simple past tense adalah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menyatakan sebuah kejadian yang telah selesai di masa lalu. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus verb. Contoh, I visited my grandmother last week. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus did not plus verb. Contoh, she did not go to the party. Interrogatif. Contoh, rumus did plus subject plus verb. Contohnya, did they watch the movie? Simple futura tense. Simple futura tense adalah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menyatakan sebuah kejadian yang akan terjadi di masa depan. Positif. Rumus subject plus will plus verb. Contohnya, I will go to the market tomorrow. Negatif. Subject will not what. Contohnya, she will not attend the meeting. Interrogatif. Rumus will subject verb. Contohnya, will the join us for dinner? Di present continuous tense. Present continuous tense adalah bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan kegiatan atau tindakan yang sedang berlangsung atau belum selesai saat dibicarakan. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus is, am, are plus verb. Contohnya, I am reading a book now. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus is, am, are not plus verb. Contohnya, they are not watching TV. Interrogatif. Rumus is, am, are plus subject plus verb. Contohnya, is she studying for the exam? Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense adalah mendeskripsikan tindakan atau kejadian pada waktu sebelum sekarang yang berawal dari masa lalu dan masih berlanjut pada masa penutup. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus was atau were plus verb. Contohnya, she was playing tennis. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus was atau were not plus verb. Contohnya, they were not playing soccer. Interrogatif. Rumusnya was atau were plus subject plus verb. Contohnya, were they playing football? Futura continuous tense. Past continuous tense adalah mendeskripsikan tindakan atau kejadian pada waktu sebelum sekarang yang berawal dari masa lalu dan masih berlanjut pada masa penutup. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus was atau were plus verb. Contohnya she was playing tennis. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus was atau were not plus verb. Contohnya they were not playing soccer. Interrogatif. Rumusnya was atau were plus subject plus verb. Contohnya were they playing football. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense adalah ungkapan yang menyatakan suatu kegiatan yang sudah dimulai sejak lama tapi belum berlanjut hingga kini. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus has atau have plus verb. Contohnya I have visited London. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus has atau have not plus verb. Contohnya he has not finished his homework. Interrogatif. Rumus has atau have plus subject plus verb. Contohnya have you ever been to Paris? Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang telah selesai terjadi di masa lalu sebelum tindakan lain terjadi. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus had plus verb. Contohnya she had left before I arrived. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus had not plus verb. Contohnya they had not finished their work by noon. Interrogatif. Rumusnya had plus subject plus verb. Contohnya had you ever seen that movie before? Futura perfect tense. Futura perfect tense adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang akan selesai sebelum waktu tertentu di masa depan. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus will have plus verb. Contohnya she will have completed her project by Friday. Negatif. Subject plus will have not plus verb. Contohnya they will not have arrived by noon. Interrogatif. Rumusnya will plus subject plus verb. Contohnya will you have finished your homework by 10? J. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang dimulai masa lalu dan masih berlangsung hingga sekarang. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus has atau have been plus verb. Contohnya she has been working hard for 5 years. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus has atau have not been plus verb. Contohnya they have not been studying since morning. Interrogatif. Rumusnya has atau have plus subject plus been plus verb. Contohnya have you been meeting long? Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk menyatakan durasi suatu tindakan yang berlangsung hingga waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Positif. Rumusnya subject plus had been plus verb. Contohnya he had been studying for hours before the exam started. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus had not been plus verb. Contohnya, the had not been waiting long when the bus arrived. Interrogatif. Rumusnya had plus subject plus been plus verb. Contohnya, had she been working there for a long time. Futura perfect continuous tense. Futura perfect continuous adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk menyatakan durasi suatu tindakan yang akan berlangsung hingga waktu tertentu di masa depan. Positif. Rumus subject plus will have been plus verb. Contohnya, he will have been working hard for 10 years by next month. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus will not have been plus verb. Contohnya, the will not have been waiting for 2 hours by the time we arrive. Interrogatif. Rumusnya will plus subject plus have been plus verb. Contohnya, will she have been studying for a long time. Past futura tense. Past futura tense digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang diharapkan atau direncanakan akan terjadi di masa depan dari perspektif waktu tertentu di masa lalu, yaitu positif. Rumusnya subject plus word plus verb. Contohnya, she said she would help me with my homework. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus word not plus verb 1. Contohnya, they said they would not attend the meeting. Interrogatif. Rumusnya word plus subject plus verb 1. Contohnya, would you like to join us for dinner? And past futura continuous tense. Past futura continuous tense digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang akan sedang berlangsung pada waktu tertentu di masa depan dari perspektif waktu tertentu di masa lalu, yaitu positif. Rumusnya subject plus will be plus verb ing. Contohnya, he thought he would be studying at that time. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus word not be plus verb ing. Contohnya, I believed they would not be coming to the party. Interrogatif. Rumusnya word plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Contohnya, would you be working late tomorrow? Past futura perfect tense. Past futura perfect tense digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang akan telah selesai sebelum waktu tertentu di masa depan dari perspektif waktu tertentu di masa lalu, yaitu positif. Rumusnya subject plus word plus have plus verb 3. Contohnya, she believed she would have finished the project by 10. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus plus word not have plus verb 3. Contohnya, the time the would not have completed the work before the elderly. Interrogative. Rumusnya work plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Contohnya, what you have called me if you and now. P. Past futura perfect continuous tense. Past futura perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk menyatakan durasi dari suatu tindakan yang akan berlangsung sebelum waktu tertentu di masa depan dari perspektif waktu tertentu di masa lalu, yaitu positif. Rumusnya subject plus what have been plus verb ing. Contohnya, been next year he took the word have been working hard for 10 years. Negatif. Rumusnya subject plus what not have been plus verb ing. Contohnya, she believed she would not have been waiting long. Interrogatif. Rumusnya what plus subject plus have been plus verb ing. Contohnya, will you have been studying all night if you had the exam? You so much, and that my explanations that are